What's going on, Big Lou Squad, with another video. Look at here, look at here, look at this shit here. Look what I'm about to do. Alright? Take you down here. I'm about to install a lock. Not any lock, you know, they like to make things difficult. So, it's a key lock. And it's also a combination. I have to take it apart to order and install it. There's a battery. Now, they go the inside part for the lock. Slide this out. Slide the battery in. Lock it. Just put all that apart. Take all that. Take it apart. Lay it down. Now, here we go right here. This is what they working with. Got a keypad, camera, sensor, laser, everything. Right here. And guess this. And if you forget, it's also right in here. Look, you can use a key. And it's also the doorbell. You hear it? Look. Cool. You got the keys, lock, and we're about to install it on this door right here. Let's go up there. We're gonna install it right here. So we're gonna put it right there on this one, on the top one. See it? We're gonna do on this one. So that means we gotta take the old lock out, take the old bolt out. It's raining, pouring. Doing the renovation. Huh? Okay. So, I'm gonna put you on the tripod. Right here. Let's go down. Put you on the tripod. Hold that for me. Yeah, thank you. You're so kind, so nice. See right there? Alright, you don't have shaky hands, right? Okay, yeah. That's my tripod, you know. Sometimes it's nervous. So, let's get started. Let's bring all this stuff upstairs. I don't need it here. Need it up there. So, let's do this. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Lock remove. Start with the new lock. Put it together. Yeah. What's the back piece? And the screws. Get the screws. Gotta pass the wires through for the camera. It was in the lock. 5. There you go. Bam. I'll show you how it look in a minute. We put some bolts in it. I suggest you start them with your hand before you use the power drill. Make sure before you tighten it down too tight, it's straight. This is how she looked. Use the hand screwdriver to adjust it straight. Loosen it. That's about right. Good to go. Torque it by hand. Good to go. But, let me see. I suggest put a screw in it. There you go. Now you can't spin it because it's a screw in the door. Outside, secure, lock, all the way through. Good to go. Let's continue. Now I'm going to plug the wires in. I like to put the wires in before I put the battery in. There you go. And the antenna for the Wi-Fi. Make sure you put that in. It won't be able to see the camera or control the lock. Gotta put the screws in it, buddy. Yeah. Oh. Let me get the screws. Don't take it too tight, just enough. Snug it. Snug it. Once you snug it, tighten it all the way. Not too tight where it breaks, but where she stop. See it? Then you got a little plug here, rubber plug, that you plug the screw in. Bam. See? There you go. Now, we can put the battery in. Oh, we got light, we got buttons, everything. All right, I hear you.
Welcome to UV Security. Please download the UV Security app to complete setup.
It's telling me to download an app to complete the setup, but it's not my house, so I let the owner do it. That's it. You're done. Lock work. Yep.
Please download the UV Security app to complete setup.
Let me show you up close what it looked like. It's ready. Got the key. We gotta try the key. There's the key right here. See it? Let me show you up close. I'm gonna ring the doorbell. See it?
Please download the UV Security app to complete setup.
See? Gotta download that, complete setup. Well, we know from here it works. Look. It's locked all the way to, see? Open. Now, let's try the key. Let's try the key. They don't know that, but this is how you do it. Oh, popped
Please
up.
download the UV Security app to complete setup.
Stick the key. Oh. Oh. Let's go in the rain and try it. There you go. Perfect. Let's went this way. Well, it works. All the bells and whistles. Let's put this back in here.
Please download the UV Security app to complete setup.
Yeah, I know.
Please download the UV Security app.
That's because I'm ringing the
Please
doorbell.
download the UV Security app to complete setup.
They got to set it up also to the doorbell. Okay? On that note, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for all. Thank you for your support. Have a safe one. Peace.